Hi everyone, this is Grant Bynum. This is my 1 minute walkthrough of the Alta Riverside in Las Colinas, Texas. So the Alta Riverside 2 bedroom, and this is a 1 minute walkthrough. By the way, I'm with Uptown 101. That's my company, and this channel is Best Dallas Apartments. So let's walk through. It's going to be roughly 1 minute, and we're going to see it. So really pretty apartment. It looks great. I love the feel here. It looks just delightful, gorgeous. Nice kitchen, white, very nice. I even like at the top where you can have additional things up there for decoration. That's pretty, but really pretty appliances too with ice maker. Oh my goodness, you really need that here in the area. You really do, especially in the summertime. It just gets rather hot here in Dallas, so it's nice to have that. This is what it looks like over here. And then over here as well, looks great. So you've got a great pantry cabinet. You do have washer dryer there. This is the living room area. The living room area is very large and spacious. It looks really cool, looks big. And then this is what it looks like out here. So it's gonna look great out here and look really pretty. And then over here, you've got a really nice bathroom as well. So this is one of the bathrooms, dual sink, and then you've got a lovely shower. It's a walk-in shower, and then that's the closet. So nice apartment. It's new, it's pretty, it's just recently built, and this is the Alta Riverside. Hey, if you're ready to see this on a more extensive tour, send me a text and just say, hey, Grant, I love it. I'd like to maybe see this apartment on another tour. We could start with a Zoom, Microsoft Teams kind of tour. That's probably easier to do. And then we can do a live tour as well, no problem. Either way, we can take care of that. It's always free. And by the way, you'll always get the best price working with me personally with when you work with any apartment, including this one. We can also set up a multiple apartment tour too. So if you're ready to do that, I'm ready to move forward and help you at any time. Hey, send me a text below, and I'm on to the 1 bedroom model.